Welcome back. We are now looking at this diagram, which is a very simple diagram indeed. But of course, it's a very powerful diagram to explain the concept of microservices. So in the previous episode, we read about what a microservice means. And here I am trying to show you how our architecture is going to work. First of all, we got on the left side and right side two Node.js servers. One is serving at port 5000, other is serving at port 4000. But in real world applications, it could be a subdomain, and this could be another subdomain, or it could be a single domain with another different domain on the right side. So for production, it is a different type of concept actually, but the basic principle remains the same. Because we are in development mode, we are talking of ports. Okay. The left hand side is at port 5000 and right hand side is at port 4000. Both are Node.js servers. Left side server, we call it general server because it is doing general sort of things like getting all posts, get posts for any particular user, etc. Whereas the right side is authentication server, which handles all the authentications, login, access tokens, refresh tokens, etc. So by this microservice, we are totally making two different servers which are loosely coupled. That means both the servers are independent of each other and could be, let's say, managed by a small team here and a small team here. This small team is going to focus on general actions, whereas this small team is going to work on authentications only. And the front end can connect both to these servers, and front end is common for both these servers. So how this is possible or achievable? It's because of the JWT. This is mainly made possible by JWT as this is not session dependent and all user info is there in the token itself, and hence the tokens like pebbles, they pass over here and there everywhere, and it makes it session independent and microservices possible for this Node.js architecture. In the next episode, we'll be directly going into the coding portion. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and have a good day. Bye bye.